Okay, so if you did not see part one, I'm making a 3-part series of this because I got a channel message that Spirit gave me. The person that this message resonates is meant for, or should resonate with, is a person who in 1996 there was a pivotal shift in your life, a moment that was very significant, something profound happened in your life in 1996. The snowstorm that just passed recently was also very significant. I don't know if you got snowed in. I don't know if your house went, got some problems. I don't know if you had some profound experiences. You also would have had dreams 2 days prior to the snowstorm, the day of the snowstorm, or the day after the snowstorm, because it was a massive portal that was open at that time, and that opened up and let a lot of spirits and entities into this realm that were from the ethers. Another major thing that I forgot to mention in part one, if you're coming from part one, and if you did not go see part one, then go back and look at it. But another major thing that I saw in that was, or that Spirit was telling me, was this person also has a significant tie to Mother Earth. Like, you feel very drawn to Mother Earth. And like the like, I'm seeing a person like, well, because Mother Earth is in pain, and I'm seeing a person be like overjoyed because Mother Earth is like flourishing. I'm seeing a person like go very heavily through all of the seasons that Mother Earth goes through. And that when Mother Earth has something she needs to cough up, like you get sick, like you have a very intense and profound attachment to Mother Earth. Okay. There are some instructions that Spirit is given. I'm not going to go back over the whole channel message. That is part one. So part one was the channel message. Part two is the instructions from Spirit of what to do to prepare yourself for what is coming in, because massive shift and abundance is coming in that you've been praying for. But if you are not careful, you're going to get taken out by something that is coming in the next 3 days that is meant to shake up your foundation, not meant to totally wipe you out. So this is not a negative thing. It is a tower moment, but a tower moment in a positive way. Yet if you are not ready, it will be taken as a negative. So I need you to prepare yourself, and Spirit needs you to prepare yourself. And then part three is going to be where I give you the channel message from ancestors, because messages was coming through Spirit and messages was coming from the ancestors. So part three is going to be messages from the ancestors, because that's separate and different from what is coming through with Spirit. Okay, so the instructions that I got: you need to take a salt bath, beloved. If you don't have these items that I'm saying right now, I am going to put, I have I'm going to give like a PDF. I'm going to attach a PDF up above, and you'll be able to like get that PDF and get the ingredients. And also, if you want to be able to get the salt bath, I also have that available. You'll see all of that above. Okay, all right. But anyway, let me just give the instructions. So a salt bath, you need to take a salt bath, and this is before the 3 days is over, so you need to do this like immediately. If you have the ingredients, do it now. What I'm going to do is rush order anything like out that if people were to, come and find this video after the 3 days. This is 3 days from the time you are seeing it. It is not 3 days from today. Okay, so I need you to understand that this is like timeless, but this is an important message. So what Spirit said was that this is going to activate for different people at different times in your life. It's going to be, you're going to come across this when you are ready for the activation, but do know that the time is ticking, the clock is moving, basically. Okay, and that so the 3 days is going, it's just too much. The 3 days is going to be when the shift is going to happen. 5 days is going to be when change rolls in, where the gift shows up. 10 days is going to be where you see things start to move and look different in your life if you're paying attention. Okay, so technically your window is a 10-day window, but 3 days, 5 days, and then 10 days. Okay, salt bath. The salt bath is going to have sea salt, coarse sea salt, Damiana, ginger, Cape aloes, yarrow, and basil leaf. Now, don't come in my freaking comment section saying, well, can I use pink Himalayan salt instead of that? Girl, man, whatever you are, listen. The things that I'm saying in here is the things that you have to use. See, the thing about spirituality is you got to do what you're told to do. 5:05 on the clock. You got to do what you're told to do. Don't be coming in here like, and I know it's all about your intention. Police is going to come into my comments. I'm sure that y'all do think that. But in spirituality, when you want a specific thing to happen, a specific kind of way, that specific ingredient needs to be used, because that specific ingredient holds a specific vibration when it's combined with specific things. But when you go switching up and doing your own chemistry and shit, I can't guarantee for you what you gonna get on the other side of that. You get what I'm saying? Okay, anyway. So the sea salt bath next. The second day, so the day following your sea salt bath, you're gonna do baking soda and sea salt. Okay? Next, you are going to take a rose quartz crystal. Now, for me, this is my rose quartz that I use. Okay, I freaking love it. It's huge. I know. You're going to take the rose quartz crystal and you're going to sleep with it in your palm. I got notes because Spirit was like, and they been kicking my ass all day. So yeah, I got notes. Anyway, rose quartz in your palm before drifting off to sleep. And you're going to say, Spirit, reveal to me while I am asleep that which you have not shown me while I was awake. Now, whether you say Most High God, you say Spirit, you say Divine Source, you say ancestors, whoever you believe is your guidance and your direction, that's what you're going to say. So where I say Spirit, you say God, you say whoever, okay? But Spirit, reveal to me while I am asleep that which you have not revealed to me while I was awake. You're going to fall asleep with your rose quartz crystal in your hand. This is significant because the rose quartz is going to give dream state and revelation. Okay. Now, it goes a lot into this, and a lot of my community members been like, Hadida, we need you to do some training for us because this is a lot. And I'm getting the training together. Trust me. That is part of the elemental group that we're doing right now. If you don't know about it, you can go find all the information above, like with everything else. Okay. But this crystal in your right palm is going to be important, okay? Because you're going to say this right before you go to sleep, not like hours before you go to sleep, not like during your shower, right before you drift off the bed. Hold your rose quartz in your right palm. Spirit, reveal to me while I am asleep that which you have not revealed to me while I was awake. Amen, Ashe, Amen, whatever your thing is, and it is so, and then go to sleep. Don't speak another word to anybody else. Go to sleep. Okay, next. Tablespoon of honey with 5 small dashes of cinnamon on the spoon each morning for 5 mornings, and say, may all things that are sweet and meant for my highest good be attracted to me easily, effortlessly, and abundantly. You are going to say this 3 times. May all things that are sweet and meant for my highest good be attracted to me easily, effortlessly, and abundantly. Number 2, may all things that are sweet and meant for my highest good be attracted to me easily, effortlessly, and abundantly. You're going to speak it over your spoon 3 times. You're going to say Amen and Ashe. You're going to put it on your tongue and you're going to consume the raw honey. Now we're talking raw honey. We ain't talking about the kind of honey that when you turn it upside down, it's moving around in your bottle. It matters. It matters, beloved. I know some people going to say it don't matter. It matters. Put you a tablespoon of honey. Get you 5 small dashes. When I say dashes, I mean hit your cinnamon. Bing, 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 bing. Like that. Not like bam, 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 bam. Just a little bing, bing, bing. A little small tap. So a little couple of sprinkles will go on your spoon. Speak it over top of your honey. Put it on your tongue. And last but not least, these are the crystals that you are going to work with and carry on you. Now, you could carry this rose quartz, like whatever your rose quartz is that you're sleeping with, you could carry it with you. But rose quartz, moonstone, onyx, black onyx, angelite, and aquamarine. If you do not have them, I'm putting everything drastically on sale so that you will be able to go get it above if you need to. But I'm giving you all the details and all the information for what you're going to need. The thing that is coming to you is massive, but preparation is needed. In the first video, I talked very extensively about why preparation is needed. Because if you are not careful and you are not ready to shift, that's what the salt bath is going to do. The first salt bath is going to cleanse and regulate your energy and your nervous system. The second salt bath is going to remove what does not need to be there. The baking soda and the sea salt is going to remove what does not need to be there. And it's going to strip it. Any extra stagnating energy is going to strip it. And then you're going to take Damiana, you're going to put it in a little sachet. And you're going to tuck that sucker underneath your pillow and you want to sleep for the next 5 days. And watch your dreams be profound. Damiana in a sachet. Put it underneath your pillow. Watch your dreams be profound. Get you a journal. Get you a journal that you're going to write all your information in. I'm telling you right now, like people who this is meant, like who been asking for some stuff, do these things. I guarantee you. Matter of fact, I'm going to make a kit for it and I'm going to put it above because I know some people going to be like, how did it, where I'm supposed to be finding all this stuff at? I'm going to make a kit for it and I'm going to put it above. Okay. Make sure you do the things I'm telling you. Follow it to a T. For a 3 to 5 day cycle, you're going to see change, exponential change. All right, I'm going to end this video. I'm going to go to part 3 for what the ancestors had to say. Okay, see you on part 3.